Dear students, in this lecture we are going to discuss the adjoint of a matrix. Suppose A is a matrix Aij. What that Aij means? Aij means it is the matrix with elements related with I rows and j columns. Since it is a square matrix, it has got equal number of rows and columns, means definitely I will runs from 1 to n. Similarly, j will run from 1 to n, so that it is a square matrix of order n. For our discussion, let us choose a matrix whose order is 3 with elements 2, minus 3, 4. The second row is 1, 2, 3. The third row is minus 2, 1, 0. These are the first row elements, second row elements, third row elements, first column, second column, third column elements. We are going to find out the adjoint of this matrix. To find out the adjoint of matrix, we need these: minor, cofactor, operation, transpose, and then you will get the adjoint of matrix A, which is abbreviated as ADJ A. That stands for adjoint of a matrix. It means to find out the adjoint of a matrix, necessarily the matrix must be a square matrix. Next, we are going to find out the minor of each element. Minors of each element. Minor with proper sign will be called as the cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element is nothing but minor with proper sign. Such cofactor elements gives you cofactor matrix of a matrix A. It's the adjoint of a matrix. We all are familiar with the operation transpose of a matrix. Rows written as a columns, obviously column will get changed to rows, will be treated as transpose of a matrix. Now to find out the minor of an element. Minor of, let me choose the element A23. What that A23 means? Minor of element A23 means it is in second row, third column. This is the element which is 3. Minor of A23, that is element 3, is equals to the determinant obtained by deleting the second row and third column. Minor of element A23, it means deleting the second row, third column. हे एकदा असं लक्षात ठेवा, मायनर ऑफ एलिमेंट A23 याचा अर्थ सेकंड रो थर्ड कॉलम काढून टाकायचा, म्हणजे सेकंड रो थर्ड कॉलम काढून टाकला की हे जे चार एलिमेंट्स आहेत ते डिटर्मिनंट फॉर्मॅटमध्ये ठेवायचे. किंवा असं घ्या, सिन्स वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द मायनर ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट 3, we remove the row and a column in which these 3 lies. These 3 lies in second row, third column. Obviously, we will get the same elements 2, minus 3, minus 2, 1. Minor of element A23 means it is the determinant obtained by deleting second row and third column, or you may say that it is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column in which the element 3 lies. It means it will be obviously, we remove the second row, third column, elements are 2, minus 3, minus 2, 1. It is 2, minus 3, minus 2, 1. The answer will be very clearly, it is 2 into 1, 2, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 6, but that is to be subtracted. Therefore, should I write down it as 2 into 1 minus of minus 2 into minus 3, that will gives you 2 minus 6 is equals to minus 4. Now, similarly, find out minor of each element. Once you find out the minor of each and every element, you will get the matrix of minors, which is no doubt a matrix with order 3 by 3. Obviously, it is a square matrix of order 3. Let us find out the minor of element 2, minus 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 1, 0. Already we have got the matrix of minor of element 3, which is minus 4. Let me write on that minus 4 at the second row, third column position. आता बाकी सगळे जेवढे एलिमेंट्स राहिले त्याचे मायनर काढू. Find out the minor of element 2, remove the row and a column in which it lies. It lies in first column, first row. The elements written in matrix are 2, 3, 1, 0. Matrix evaluation will be 0 minus 3, it is minus 3. For this element minus 3, remove the column and a row in which this minus 3 lies. Minus 3 lies in first row, second column, remaining elements will be 1, 3, minus 2, 0. It will be 0 minus of minus 6, it comes out to be equal to plus 6. For this element 4, the minor will be 1 plus 4, it is equals to 5. For this element 1, minor 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. For this element 2, the minor will be, for this element 2, minor will be 0 minus of minus 8, that is plus 8. Now, just it remains to find out the minor of third row elements. Minor of minus 2 will be, remove the column and a row in which it lies, minus 9 minus 8, it is minus 17. And 1, minor will be, remove the column and a row in which it lies, that is removing third row, second column, you will get 2 3s are 6, minus 4, it comes out to be equals to 2. Now, for the element 0, minor will be 2 2s are 4, minus of minus 3 plus 3, 4 plus 3, it is 7. We have got the matrix of minors. आता मायनर मिळालेत. मायनर काढले की त्याचा कोफॅक्टर काढणं खूप सोपं आहे. मायनर करेक्टली काढा, डेफिनेटली तुम्हाला कोफॅक्टरला काही अडचण येणार नाही. Because already we have said that cofactor of an element is minor with proper sign. Let me write down what is the now let me write down what is the cofactor of an element. Cofactor of element Aij is equals to minus 1 raised to I plus j multiplied by minor of element Aij. It means cofactor with proper sign is the minor of element Aij. It means cofactor of A23 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 multiplied by minor of A23, which means cofactor of element A23 is 3 is equals to minus 1 raised to 5 multiplied by, what is the minor of A23 we have? It is minus 4. Clearly minus 1 raised to 5, it is equals to minus 1 multiplied to 3 gets multiplied with minus 1, so that cofactor of 3 is equals to 4. Similarly, find out the cofactor of each and every element. It means just you have to take the proper sign of each element. Look at the position of element carefully. The position will be first row, first column, position will be second row, second column, position will be third row, third column. The sum will be 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 6 as an index. याचा अर्थ मायनस 1 रेज टू इव्हन येणार आहे या तिन्ही एलिमेंटला, आणि तो मल्टिप्लायर घेतला की तो प्लस 1 नी मल्टिप्लाय, याचा अर्थ ह्या एलिमेंटचं चिन्ह बदलणार नाही, कन्फर्म आहे. तसंच this is the element located in first row, third column, 1 plus 3 4. This is the element located in third row, first column, means obviously it will be 3 plus 1, means again the power of minus 1 is even. Whenever power of minus 1 is even, obviously we will get the resultant multiplier as plus 1. It means the remaining elements will get changed their signs, means 6, minus 4, 2 and minus 4 will change the sign. Now let me write down matrix of cofactors. We call it as cofactor matrix of matrix A is equals to, write down the minor matrix directly. It will be minus 3, 6, 5. The second row elements are minus 4, 8, minus 4, minus 4, 8, minus 4, minus 17, 2, 7, minus 17, 2, 7. आणि आता फक्त डायमंड पोझिशन एलिमेंटची साइन चेंज करा. म्हणजे कुणाची? या पोझिशनच्या एलिमेंट्सची. कारण ह्या ज्या पोझिशन्स आहेत या मायनस 1 रेज टू ऑड व्हॅल्यू देणार आहेत, म्हणजे मायनस 1 ने त्याला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. यू विल डेफिनेटली राईट डाउन द आन्सर ॲज minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 and plus 4. This will be the cofactor matrix of a matrix. We call it as cofactor matrix. आता minor मिळाला, cofactor मिळाला. Look at that given matrix A. We have got the minor of matrix. We have also obtained the cofactor of a matrix. Just it remains to write down transpose of a matrix. You will get the adjoint of a matrix. Let me write down the final as transpose of cofactor matrix is the adjoint of matrix. Finally, we write down adjoint of A is equals to, we write the first row as a first column, means minus 3, minus 6, 5. The second row 4, 8, 4 will be written as a second column, 4, 8, 4. The third row minus 17, minus 2, 7, minus 17, minus 2, 7 will be treated as the third column. This we have got the adjoint of a matrix. Usually minor of matrix is denoted with notation M23. Cofactor of an element is denoted with the notation A23. म्हणजे लक्षात ठेवायचं कसं, मायनर ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स एलिमेंट्सला नोटेशन आहे MIJ, तसं कोफॅक्टरला नोटेशन आहे AIJ. Completed the concept related to adjoint of a matrix.